STEM fair for young people where we get them really excited about the possibilities of STEM careers.
It's very interesting. It's really fun to see different jobs and different careers that you could do within these subjects.
A breadth of organisation across STEM really coming together to inspire the next generation. From Rolls-Royce and the BBC, Leonardo and Bombardier, we've got Specsavers, we've got the Patent Office, really every sector you could think of, railways, aviation, mathematicians, technicians, and I just think there's something here for everyone to get excited about.
A lot of enthusiasm, not only from the kids but also from all of the exhibitors here as well, which is really great.
And we've had kids making apps, we've had kids talking about problems in their community, we've had kids using microbits, which are little tiny computers, and building electronics.
That interest does stem at such a young age, and it would have been something that I really appreciated if I was their age.
It was really lovely to come and pick up resources and see where things are heading. The textbooks, we use the same ones for year after year, and actually to pick up something that's slightly different, where it engages with careers, modern world and current issues is brilliant.
It's been amazing.
It was actually really good.